Hey there, fellow sports therapists and clinical body workers. This is Art Sand of Sports Massage Stream of Los Angeles, and I'm going to show you how to use the Table Turtle and the Table Turtle Extreme. Very simple. I'm going to ask my client over here, Jerry, to come on over here. You're going to lay down face down in a prone position. You can position your face right there and get comfortable. Put your shoulder to the side. And your knees are comfortable right there?
Yes.
Correct. So this is how you position your client comfortably on the Table Turtle. Do your shoulders feel like they're comfortable?
Yes.
Do you feel like you have good support and good comfort?
Yes.
Absolutely. And again, you can adjust the face plate a little bit. Is that a little bit better?
Yeah.
Very good. So you can grab your task-specific tool, whatever that may be, and start accessing different areas. So that's how simple it is to use a Table Turtle. So stay tuned. Remember, it's simple and easy when you learn how to do things the smart way. So stay tuned.